Hey y'all, welcome to Child's Cuisines. Today we're making peach stuffed biscuits. So first we're going to start in a preheated pan. We're going to add our peaches. And I have my heat on a medium low. Next we're going to add some red cooking wine. Go ahead and sprinkle in some cinnamon and nutmeg. Now we're going to go ahead and sprinkle in some brown sugar and we're going to mix that in. Now I let this mix come to a boil for about 4 minutes and then I reduced it on the simmer until the sauce thickened up. And I also sprinkled in more brown sugar. Now once your sauce thickens up, go ahead and take it off and let it come to a cool. Now once your sauce is done, let it come to a cool. Next I'm going to go ahead and take my biscuits and I'm going to split those apart. Now when you have those all split apart, we're going to go ahead and start adding our peach filling. We're going to save that sauce that we made our peaches in to drizzle on top. Make sure your oven is preheated for 350. We're going to bake these for about 14 to 15 minutes. Now once you have all your peaches on the bottom layer of your biscuit, we're going to go ahead and start placing the top layer on top. And once you have that placed on top, we're going to firmly push down the sides together. Now to make it easier, I stretched out that top piece of dough, and then when I placed it, I pushed it down. And if you need to roll it a little bit, then you can, like I did. Now once your biscuits are done and fresh out the oven, go ahead and serve this with some ice cream. I used sea salt caramel ice cream. It was really good, and I drizzled that sauce right on top. If you decide to make this dish, tag me on Instagram at Child's Cuisine.